50 years ago, very few women were allowed in the room when we went to the moon. Today, women are helping lead the mission back. From engineering and science to mission operations and astronaut training, the female perspective is woven throughout the Artemis program in ways Apollo never imagined. And we got to ask some of these women behind this mission one question. What does it feel like to be part of this new era of space exploration?
Yeah, no, it's been great. We have a wonderful team of incredibly qualified people who are on our science team. I think it is majority women on the science team. But we were just talking about that the other day, and we were like, we don't really even notice. And I think that's great because that's the point we've gotten to, where it's just you have the people who are qualified and ready to do the job in those positions.
Yeah, I mean, I was not born when Apollo happened, right? And so, it has always been sort of ancient history to me, and it is really cool to build something new, to build on what we learned, but to move forward in sort of a new era, the Artemis era, and see where we can take this.
I love this mission does not look like. Two of the three science officers, which is a new position for Artemis, are women. We have lots of other women in leadership roles and other diverse members of our community. And I think that it just makes
Kelsey is holding her own as our first science officer, as well as Angela and Trevor. We've got three science officers right now. Two are women. And Kelsey is mostly talking to our Capcom, who's Jenny, is one of the Canadian astronauts who has been the Capcom for a lot of this mission too, right? So it's a whole chain all the way up to Christina.
I think it's been incredible to be working in an environment surrounded by incredible women, incredible scientists that I look up to, and to also be a part of watching the first woman fly by the moon. It's been a dream I always wanted to be. When I went to space camp, I realized that no women had been to the moon, and that was something I decided then that I wanted to be a part of being. I hoped it'd be me, but I think this is the next best thing.
No, it's been really great, and I actually had a moment with one of my daughters, and I was trying to explain to her, we're sending people back to the moon, and with Artemis, and the first girl is gonna walk on the moon, and she just looked at me and was like, so? And I was like, and she was like, well, people have already walked on the moon, so obviously girls have already gone to the moon. And I was like, do I correct her? Or do I rejoice that the world she's growing up in, she doesn't even see those boundaries? She's not even a consciousness. Exactly.
Limitless.
So I didn't say anything because I was stopped in my tracks, but I think that's a good sign for, people just doing what they want to do, no matter what.